Trading time for money is a trap, a deceptive cycle that limits your potential, shrinks your pocket, and robs you of your freedom. It's a system that has been ingrained in our minds from a young age, but today, we're going to unmask its pitfalls and explore the alternatives. Problem 1. Limited time equals limited income. There are only 168 hours in a week, and you can't work every single one of them. You need to eat, sleep, commute, and ideally enjoy some leisure time. When you're paid by the hour, you're capping your wealth-building potential because you can't always work more to earn more. So, what's the solution? Aim to earn more with less effort. Embrace productivity. Strive to accomplish more with less. Problem 2. Heavy taxation. As an employee, you're subject to some of the highest tax rates around. The government takes its cut before you see a penny of your earnings. A rather unfair partnership, isn't it? So, how do you escape this? By breaking the mold and paying yourself first. Problem 3. You're at your boss's mercy. When your only income source is your job, your employer wields significant control over your life. This is not how life should be lived. So, how do you regain control? By diversifying your income sources. Problem 4. Climbing the corporate ladder. The higher you climb, the more of an employee you become. The more money you make, the more taxes you pay. Instead of climbing the ladder, why not own it? Problem 5. You're not the master of your own time. Having a job means your time is not your own. You can't take a vacation when you want because your job hangs in the balance. Your ultimate goal should be to earn money regardless of what you're doing. Whether you're sleeping, working, or relaxing on a serene beach, your goal should always be to generate income. If this sounds impossible to you, rest assured it isn't. Thousands of people are living this wonderful lifestyle. They're not smarter or better than you. They just do one thing differently. They earn passive income. Your goal should be to work hard on creating diverse sources of passive income. It's akin to building your own water pipeline. Sooner or later, the water will flow freely while you enjoy life. So there you have it. The pitfalls of trading time for money and the alternatives that lead to financial freedom and ownership of your time. Embrace productivity. Pay yourself first. Diversify your income sources. Own the ladder instead of climbing it, and strive for passive income. It's time to break free from the trap and live life on your terms.